friends. Today we'll install HIDs. Let's begin. We're gonna start with the driver's side. Okay? Okay? What a dang taking you so long? Weak. Damn weak. Oh my god. Oh my god. About that time. Now let's take a look inside. Oh, there we see it. Alright, he's in the lock position. Okay, friends. Hey, what the? How'd I get out of here? Alright. Now you move me out of the way. Alright, let's do this. You turn to the left. Turn it. Turn it. Oh, Lordy, not this again. You're weak. Oh my god. Don't look at me. Hey, what the hell? What the hell are you doing? Ah, what the hell? Finally. Now you take it out. Now you just leave it hanging there. Now let's take a closer looky. Oh, you see down there? There's a clip there. Now you got that metal clip. Push it harder. Push it in and towards you. And you'll get it from both sides. See the two up metals? There you go. Now metal clips out. Time to get yourself that HID out. Pull it. That's right. Don't touch the glass. Looking good. Looking real good. Now, time to put it in the new HIDs. 6000K. Don't touch the glass. I'll punch you in the face. Get it gently. Line up the bottom. The rod goes to the bottom. Gently slide it in. Make sure 2 notches are horizontal. And the bottom, the little row is on the bottom. Remember, the rod's on the bottom. Don't screw this up, man. You did it. Oh yeah. Now close it back up. Push it. Both sides. Hurry the hay up. There you go. Put the metal thing. Put it in. Oh Lord, here we go. Oh, come on. Now put the dust cap back on. Make sure you don't mess up those seals. Hey, put those seals down. Alright, time to put it back on. You get any water in there? You're effed. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, it's time. Time to taste this baby out. Oh yeah, look at that lasso. Oh yeah, look at it, man. Okay, friends, you can do the other side yourself, okay? Left side is old, right side is new.